Hello everyone. Today we're going to write our first Go code. For that we'll need a text editor. We'll use Microsoft VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have it, get it installed. Just open your browser, type in VS Code, click on the first link, download the latest stable version and then install it. Installation is pretty straightforward. You can just click on next and finish. Once you're done installing, open the location that you've set in your Go path. I've shown you how to set a Go path in the previous video. My Go path was d/go. Inside that, go inside the src folder and type in cmd over here and press enter. You'll see that the command prompt opens in the specific location d/go/src. Now once this opens, you can type in code space and dot and enter. The VS Code will open in that specific location again. You can see how src over here. Now if I create a file inside here, it will reflect in my folder. Let me call it main.go. All Go files will have the extension .go. As you can see, it reflects over here. And now time to write our first program. It's our favorite, hello world. Okay, all Go programs start with a package keyword, and let's use the call this main, a package main. I will explain it. Now the next thing you do is you import the package fmt. The import keywords is import space the package name. Fmt is the format package, and the next thing you do is you write a function. Functions are written by the keyword func, func in Go. Name it main. This main function is similar to other programming languages. This is the first thing that executes when a program is executed. This is the first thing. It does not accept any arguments, it does not return any values, and you don't have to invoke it. That is done automatically. Now we'll type in fmt, the name of our package, and println. Println is the method that is used to print statements, and we need to print hello world. Okay, so Go is a case sensitive language. Now this capital P indicates that this method is public and can be used in other packages other than fmt. If this was a smaller p, then I would not be able to use it over here. As you can see, there are many other methods inside fmt. We'll talk about these later, but you can see that similarity, that everyone has a capital letter. Yeah, okay. So then the next thing is we'll save this file and we'll open our command prompt. Now to run a Go file, we have the command go space run space file name. Our file name is main.go. So it runs and we see hello world as our output. Another thing is that you can see when I type fmt, I get these prompts. To activate these IntelliSense, you'll need to install an extension for VS Code. Click on the fifth icon from the left, search in Go, and you can see the rich Go language support. Click on it. You can see the rich Go language support for Visual Studio Code. You can install it, and once you install it, you will be able to see these IntelliSense predictions and everything, which will make coding simpler. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.